Welcome to the installation video of ATI's new Talon 5-sided aluminum shotgun forend. Warning: place safety on the on position and carefully inspect the firearm to ensure it is unloaded. Begin by removing the magazine cap and removing the barrel. Depress and hold the left shell stop, then slide the forend off the magazine tube. The bolt and side block will also be removed. Next, remove the tube nut using a spanner wrench or similar tool. Then, slide the old forend off the forend tube. Locate the Remington adapters and slide the rear Remington adapter on first. Then, the Talon forend. Finally, insert the front Remington adapter. Next, reinstall the tube nut and tighten using a spanner wrench or similar tool. Install the bolt and side block onto the cutouts in the action bars. Slide the forend back onto the magazine tube and place the action bars into the receiver and pull rearward until it stops. Press the right shell stop, then the left shell stop, and the forend will travel all the way to the rear. Finally, reinstall the barrel and reinstall the magazine cap. The Talon forend is available with a full package of dovetail Picatinny rails, or you may choose to buy individual rails. To install, place the rail flush with the forend. Then, slide the rail onto one of the 5 rail slots. Slide the rail into any configuration you prefer, and use the supplied hex screws which have dried Loctite, and tighten with a 1/8 inch Allen.